So hey everyone, welcome to Entrepreneurs Bay. Today we're gonna be talking over Gary Vee. See, before 5th of May, I was not knowing anything about Gary Vee. I was not knowing whether he is an entrepreneur, whatever he is. I do not know anything. But after 5th of May, it was that date at which he launched NFT marketplace, his own NFT marketplace called vfriends.com. And I want to know everything about him. He is today a serial entrepreneur. He is the chairman of VaynerX and he is simultaneously the CEO of Vayner Media. He is Gary Vee. At the age of 14, when he was still doing his studies, he joined his family business, which was basically a liquor business. So in liquor business, he identified the opportunity of internet and he opened an e-commerce web store of his liquor shop, and he converted his $3 million business to $60 million within 5 years. This was greatest achievement for him. As any other investor would do, he started investing at a very early age. He was an initial investor of Uber, Snapchat, Facebook, Tumblr, Twitter. So he is Gary Vee, and here are 10 lessons on hustle from Gary Vee. First and the foremost, Gary says work very hard. In order to achieve anything in life, in order to achieve any dream in life, you have to work very, very hard, rigorously hard. See, in order to make it in your life, you have to go beyond your 9 to 5 job. By going beyond your 9 to 5 job, I mean that you have to be passionate about your work. Find what you love so that you can give more hours to your work rather than going to that 9 to 5 job. More, he says that
I got so many goddamn emails from friends in high school during that period when I was showing up in all these magazines and TV shows, and every single one of them was like, "Hey Gary, you remember me from high school? Oh my God, you're so lucky." I wrote back every single one of them and said, "Let me just clarify one thing. I'm not lucky. I worked every goddamn weekend and every holiday since I was 14 years old. So you can keep that luck shit in your pocket."
Gary Vee has always said, you cannot gain success by simply emulating your competition. You need to learn from the mistakes of the one who has already achieved in your field. Reading books can be a great way to start, but you need to also think over your focus. You need to strive through your own chart, which you have made in order to focus. Now once your chart is made, simply identify which is right thing and which is wrong thing that you are doing, and say no to the wrong thing and follow right thing. Remember, successful people are successful just because they identify their mistakes quickly. The more quickly you identify your mistake, the more early you will become successful. All the successful people, those are around or there, they have all one quality in common. They are all self-aware. Remember, self-awareness is the key to entrepreneurship. And becoming self-aware means one knows what are his strengths and what are his weaknesses. Identifying the strengths and weaknesses can be a good deal because it makes them to take right decision at right time under right circumstances. Gary has always said, before making any decision, you have to question yourself that whether your emotions are ruling you or you are ruling them. Because this thing would directly result in you being self-confident and your decision being so certain. Gary says this will indirectly make you aware of what you can do and what you can't. Remember that successful people know that they should work with their strengths and around their weaknesses. Gary says he has seen countless number of people who are continuously working hours and debating the source of success. It is actually quite simple, you know. All that you have to do is focus on your own hustle as much as you possibly can. Your way of making money may not be as interesting or as flashy as that of the next person. However, it is what you are capable of doing. It is your unique asset and you should work on it as much as you can. Every minute that you are not hustling, you are losing out. It is good to have talent, but focusing on your hustle can make you outshine everyone. The most common thing, the most important thing from where every success begins is that your self-confidence. If you do not believe in yourself, simply ask yourself who will believe you. We all have only one shot of making it in life. Thus, we should take it every day. We get up and still have breaths in our lungs. Gary is well known for working long hours without rest. This is because he understands that every second that he is working gets him farther and farther ahead of his competition. Moreover, you should be confident enough to tell other people about what you do. This is an effective form of word of mouth marketing and can land your clients or even investors. You can borrow from this lesson and shine according to your own capability. See, in life, you can choose to be either positive or either negative. If you want to be successful, the best option is to be positive. And you very well know it. People love to hang around with those pupils who have positive attitude. You would have found around that people love to be with people who have always positive aura around them. And this simply brings in all the positivity and all the good luck around them. And that's why people follow them. It really does not matter what you are talking about when you pitch an idea. As long as you are positive about it, your audience will love it and support it and will cheer up it. Gary indicates that being passionate is a quality that is respected by everyone. Therefore, make sure that you adopt it as early as you can in your career. Gary says nobody cares about your business. It's simply your sole responsibility to take right decisions. Therefore, try to find out ways to remain calm and take decisions. Sometimes go out and find the answers of your questions regarding your company's decisions. Remember, the main goal is to remain happy of what you decided. He says, yeah, it's pretty sure that you will make mistakes. It's okay, it's alright. You make mistake, you learn from them, and next time you take right decisions in that way. All he says is be happy and follow your heart. In this way, you stay truly happy in life and therefore excel more than anyone else. Long ago, entrepreneurs were seen as someone who scores low grades in school, and therefore to just sustain their life they have to own a business. But today there's a great change. The great change in mindset. Entrepreneurs are the ones shaping tomorrow today. They are observed as having ideas worth billions of dollars and are a far cry from the studious students with nothing but formulae and facts in their minds. Gary indicates that being an entrepreneur is a gift and a mindset that not everybody has. Therefore, if you are one to be proud of your uniqueness, embrace it, glorify it. Gary says that if you want to be wildly successful, you must become so competitive that you cannot imagine anyone else as giving more value to your clients than you self, your business. Convince yourself and your clients that you are the number one in your sector. Becoming 2 or 3 is the same as utter failure. And so, in order to do that, you need to continuously work up hard in order to produce the product that is the bone debater among all the products in the market. And for that, you need to work rigorously hard, rigorously consulting, continuously innovating and producing much great, valuable and easy product to the customers. Gary says that you have to be able to adapt in real time. You know that everything in the environment is constantly changing. In this 21st century, everything is changing up constantly. So you need to adapt according to the latest technologies. The business sector of today is rapidly changing an environment that requires constant attention and the ability to change. And for that, you will always require a great team, great innovating team to work upon the great valuable product.